Good morning YouTube and welcome back to season 4. It is Tuesday morning, the 11th. No, 14th. Yeah, still dippy as normal. Just about to leave the yard when this lorry gets out of my way, but it's just parked in my way. Okay, well, I'll give it a minute or two. It is morning and it is cold. This is probably just on a bit of a go slow. So first stop is Macclesfield. Not too far, about an hour. Not loads of stuff on today. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to explain what's going to happen in season 4. And what I've been up to. So we'll go from there. I'll park up later on, speak to you then, and yeah, so welcome back to season 4. I can't even get through there. I don't know how this guy stops here, but never mind. He's going to bugger off, I think. Oh, maybe. Yay. So first thing I've had to do this morning is when I get in, I've well, check the back, check the load, and there's a big crate. I'd say about 5 foot wide by about
turn right, Barlow Road.
Maybe 14 foot long. I only had one strap on it. It's quite high as well. I only had one strap on it, so I've sorted that out. Put another one on. Now, do I want to go right or left here? I'm going to go left. I know it's saying go right, but I think it'd be quicker if we go left. And this rather nice Audi driver has let me out, which is unusual. Now this could be a while to get out of here. It's not even a junction, this is just a bend, but they won't start, they'll just keep coming. They won't look at that, they'll pretend you don't exist.
Go around the roundabout, third exit, Nailstrop Road North.
That's
then,
not going to happen.
Bear right,
Thank you,
Barlow
sir.
Road.
Right, first stop of the day. Paperwork says it opens at 9:30. I thought it's probably wrong that. First stop, it's only Macclesfield, it's only an hour down the road. Obviously I left work at about 7:30. Anyway, it's got here. And it's closed, so I've just spoke to the guy on the phone, having to chase the phone number first. Anyway, he says you can either leave them outside, which I don't really fancy doing that, I just want to leave stock on a little industrial estate like this, or I can wait 10 minutes and see if we can get someone down. So well, I'll give you 15 minutes. I can't really give him any longer than that, otherwise it's more delays. Oh, where he is now. Hello? 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 Okay, don't speak to me then. Ta-da! Delivered! Someone turned up pretty quick, that's alright. Wasn't bad at all. Right, where are we off to? Nantwich. Nantwich. Not great for traffic. CW5 6RG. Oh, yeah. I've been to this one before. It's it's only an upstand, I don't have to queue. Normally you're queuing with about 20, well, exaggerating, three or four lorries in front of you to get into the yard, but ooh, traffic. M6 looks snarled up. Oh well, let's go.
You will arrive at your destination at 10:09 a.m.
10:09, so
At the end of the road,
exactly
turn
now.
right, have a close, then at the end of the road,
So just leaving
turn left.
Macclesfield at the moment.
Turn right, then at the end of the road, turn left.
I used to
Turn left,
work not too
Winterton
far
Way.
from here. There's a Mercedes going still over there. Yeah, it is. I used to work for Enterprise Rent-A-Car, and constantly at Mercedes picking up new cars. I was only young then, I was probably about, I don't know,
At the end of the road, turn right,
20, something like that.
A523, London
It's
Road.
quite funny really, because I couldn't hire a car off the company
Turn right.
because I was too young for their insurance, but I worked for them and they used to pick up brand new Mercs. Kind of bizarre that. So they wouldn't hire them to me, but they'd lend them. Car's letting me go here. I can't get out, can I? Yes I can. Right, I've just had, I have a roller to take the worktops off the back of the lorry, and it wasn't there. I was thinking I can't work all day without this roller, although I can,
London
but
Road.
it just makes it so
for
much
3
easier
miles.
with it. So you put the worktop underneath and then roll it off. Anyway, someone decided to move it from the back door where I normally keep it, all the way to the front. So, well, as I'm on the way to this one, I might as well tell you what's been going on really. So I took a break from doing any videos for a couple of months off, because it is a bit of a pain editing. I don't think a lot of people realise how long it actually takes, because you've got to sift through your footage, sift out the stuff you don't need, don't want, and then you've got to put it onto the computer. I mean, I've got a decent computer, you know, I've got a MacBook Pro, which is, and I'm using Final Cut Pro 10, professional software. So it doesn't actually take that long to get it to the computer or to actually render it, but it's still time consuming because you've got to cut out bits you don't want in the editing, you've got to add transitions and whatnot, so it can take a while. But yeah, so that's why I decided to have a bit of break from that. I hope you can hear me okay. I've ordered another microphone because the last one I ordered, it was crap. It made no difference whatsoever. So hopefully this one will be a clip-on one. I was watching Luke C at HGV, that's what he's got, and the quality of his audio is so much better than mine. It's probably, I think it's the same camera. I think his GoPro is slightly newer GoPro than mine, but I think, yeah, his audio is definitely better because he unplugged it when he took the camera out, and it went back to how mine sounds. So definitely worth getting one of those. Although I've ordered it from Geek, so I mean it could turn out to be crap, but I've still got the adapter, so go and buy a decent microphone later on. But for £3, worth a shot. So back in November, October. In October, I went in for my Class 1 lessons. I had 16 hours, that's including the test day, and I passed. So and now I'm a class 1 driver. So I've not kept it secret. I've just not really announced it that much, to be honest. Some of you know already. So before Christmas I thought, do you know what, I'm not going to change jobs before Christmas, so that's why I'm still at the same company. I've spoken, so the company is fully aware that I've passed, and I'll be looking to move on, but I'll give them as much notice as possible because they've been a really good company to work for. Ideally I'd give them, well, at least 2 weeks, but I prefer to give them longer than 2 weeks if possible. See what happens. Yeah, I was having a look at jobs before Christmas. There's always loads of jobs before Christmas on class 1, and the money was okay, it was good. After Christmas, class 1, class 2, 7.5 ton, just dies till about April. No one's really got any money before then, I don't think, to spend to buy goods. So I put my CV online, and a company in Adlington got in touch, and they basically offered me the job, well, obviously pending the interview. But they said, oh, you'll be on class 2 for a while. I said, how long's a while? So they said, well, just to see it, just so you can get some experience. I said, well, I've only got lots of experience, got years and years experience on class 2, I don't need that. So anyway, I never went for the interview. I thought, it sounds like they just need class 2 drivers. But yeah, I left that. So I thought, right, after Christmas I'll have a look. So I've had a look after Christmas, and as I thought it would be, not much about, just not the right time of year for it. And that's pretty much where I'm at now. What I am going to do is, because I want to show you the process of trying to find a job when you've got no experience on that particular class. So what I'm going to do, I've spoken to my old agency that I used to work for years ago. She actually, same person's there, she remembered me. So I said, what's he like at the moment? She said, dead. She said, okay, I'm looking for weekend work, just once a fortnight, and then see how it goes from there. She went, well, it won't pick up yet, but once it does, I'll certainly give you a ring, so come down and register your details. As soon as I get work for you on the weekend, no problem, I'll give it straight to you. She said, most people don't want to work weekends anyway. I only want to do 1 day a week, 1 day a fortnight on class 1. 2 reasons. One, it's a bit of extra cash, and 2, I'm getting experience on a weekend, which is usually less busier than weekday. Obviously some Saturdays can be quite busy. I prefer to do a Sunday. Just give me a bit of experience in class 1. And then if the agency can offer me full time or enough work during the week, I'll probably go back on agency on class 1. But we'll see what happens.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit,
so yeah, that's where we're to right now.
Mountbatten Way.
I decided to start doing more videos to show you the process of me trying to find a job. I won't be mentioning company names because I have a few haters that would ring them up, no doubt.
Go right on the roundabout,
call my name,
second exit.
Trying to sabotage it just because they've got nothing else to do. Very sad, lonely lives. Can't keep their nose out of other people's business. But I am not the only one that they target. They target a lot of YouTubers. Take abuse. So yeah. So season 4. Now I've finished waffling that on. Waffling on with that even. Oh. Hi Panaco, I'll let you out. So season 4, what is it about? Well, I'm going to base this one on a book, and it's for new truck drivers. It's a brand new book by a guy called Colin, can't remember his second name. It's available on Amazon. I had a look through it, a quick scan through it, and straight away I was like, yes, perfect. This is just perfect for a new driver. And it's, I keep saying anyway.
After 300 yards,
yeah, it's got some fantastic stuff in there. So I'm going to base
second exit, A54,
season 4,
Mountbatten Way, then
solely
take
for
the second left.
new drivers. So I'm going to be showing you the I've been taking little bits out of the book, not too much, little bits out of the book, and I'll do a video on that section. So it could, for instance, I could pick a section on ropes, and I'll get some rope, and I'll follow the instructions from the book and show you how to tie some trucker's knots and stuff like that, or whatever. You know, it could be it could have information about weights, limits, stuff like that. I'll go through different sections. I'll pick a section, or I'll let you pick a section, tell me what you want, and then I'll do that video for you, just to help new drivers out. And then between that, if I've got time, I'll probably do a couple of normal videos here and there of just day-to-day work. And I'm going to try and keep the videos a bit short. This one might be a bit longer than I wanted to, just because I'm explaining it to you, but I'll try and keep the videos to about 15, maybe 20 minutes.
Cross the roundabout, second exit,
some of you like a longer video, so
Mountbatten Way,
maybe now and again I'll chuck a longer video in.
Second left.
And it was,
after 200 yards,
watching,
turn left,
one of Luke's videos the other day. He was talking about
then cross the roundabout, second exit.
Talking and driving at the same time.
Turn left, then
and I was also
cross the roundabout,
watching,
second exit.
Trucker Bill's video about the same thing. So I thought, right, I'm going to go and try and research this. What's the deal with talking to a camera? Is it classed as a distraction? Anyway, so I found on the Health and Safety Executive website, it's not against the law, and it won't be against the law coming up. There's certain rules about it, what you can and can't do. So I'm following those
After
rules.
100 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, A34, Clayton
And I
Bypass.
need to concentrate and can't talk at the same time. I'll just have to close my mouth. So yeah.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit, West Road.
Here's one for you. So I've just gone to an address for a customer, and it gets there, there's no answer.
After 300 yards,
So I ring the guy up.
cross the roundabout, third exit,
And he says,
A50.
you've gone to the wrong place.
City Centre.
He said, what postcode you've got? So I give it me. He went, yeah, that's the right postcode, but it takes you to the wrong place. Give me a new postcode, which is about 2 miles away.
Cross the roundabout, third
So
exit.
so the postcode is not correct for that address, or they knew it'd take me to the wrong place, but they never put the other one in, which apparently is going to take me to the right place. But we'll see. One of those little things delay your day. Should be in a few minutes. I'm just doing staffing at the moment.
Take the exit.
Ah, he jumped in. he's gonna turn around. See you in a bit.
Fourth exit, M6, towards Birmingham.
So I've just, oh god, it's warm. The night heater on, I forgot. I just done a drop here in Wolverhampton and went past the little.
Go right on the roundabout, fourth
wagon.
exit.
And then as I was stopping for the lights, it caught up with me. And YouTube, I hate saying the word follower, or I hate saying the word fan. Subscriber, yeah, that's it, subscriber. Didn't catch your name, mate. Your portal looked a bit bemused. It's quite funny, actually. But hello anyway. Not sure if you've got you on camera or not, but I'll guess you'll find out. Oh, it's pretty empty today. Going to change for this place. But Crawley services. Crawley. It's got a girly gear in it. Stick up there. No. This guy here is a right weirdo. Proper weirdo.
Right, mate.
I'm alright, are you alright? Taking your trolley for a walk?
Yeah, that's all I do.
Oh, okay, well done.
Advertising magliners.
See you later. Nightmare Street. Let's see how it goes today.
At the end of the road, turn left, Clifton Avenue. Then you have reached your destination.
Oh, I ain't gonna get
Turn
round
left,
there.
then you have reached your destination.
Fuck's sake, man. Yeah, don't want to push him out of the way. Is he? Okay. I'll get round there.
Yeah, you go there, spin round, then come back down. Like sort of.
Turn around in this yard up here if I can.
You have reached your destination, Clifton Avenue.
Is he waiting, mate? Is he waiting to get offloaded? Yeah. I'll go around the other way then. I'm going up there, but I'll go the other way. It's all right. Saves him pissing about, doesn't it? Oh fuck! Oh shit! Yeah. Good job that's only a short one. Nightmare, innit? Great. What I want is here on the left and it's closed.
Hello.
Hello, can you ring Sykes' yard for me, please?
I will get on to West. Have you got a number? Did he give it you?
No.
Right, I'll get on to West Bank.
Alright, Tap.
Yeah, how long before you're there?
Well, I'm there now because I've just done long eating.
Right.
But, I mean, I'm going to have to move anyway because the street is that bad. So I'll have to wait for him to come in and I'll come back round again.
Right, okay. Yeah, okay.
Alright, Tap.
Right, bye.
Yeah, bye. Literally got an inch. Where can I stop until here? So that's some of the things you have to look forward to once you've passed your test and you've got a wagon licence. You can get stressed about it. I used to at first, and then you've just got to think of it logically and see what the best solution to get out of it is. Ideally, it's not to get into it in the first place, but like you saw there, I couldn't predict there was two lorries there, one wanting to turn and the other one wanting to go straight on. So like a bit of a jigsaw. We worked it out, you know, between us. Don't know. I think those guys on the street they were just the people waiting to offload it. But yeah, it was no problems, no stress. Take your time, and if you think you're gonna hit something, stop. If you're not sure, stop. You know, I mean, I was using every mirror I've got then. I was using the step mirror, the windscreen mirror, obviously these two mirrors. I had to fold this driver's mirror in when that blue one came at the side of me. I had to fold this in, otherwise I wouldn't have got out. So I just kept popping my head out the window to see how close I am to it. Well, got there in the end, fine. And hopefully this guy doesn't take too long. I was hoping he was going to be here. I was supposed to call half an hour beforehand, but I didn't really know how long it was going to be at the last drop, so I couldn't predict that. So I've got, what's that, 4 upstands. Just seeing what I've got for them. And some stuff that's packaged. See, I'd take it over there, but someone might swipe it. You know, I just left it on the gate. I just obviously came back here and waited until the guy turned up, but don't want him to nick it. So better not, I'll just wait here. Right, the guy's turned up now, so I'm going to attempt to go back down there. I've already opened the back doors, so I don't have to worry about hitting a car with the back door.
Turn left, Chatsworth Avenue.
It's been fun and games this morning down here. Yeah. Let's go. See how hard it is to get out of here this time. Should be alright now. Easy peasy. Couldn't quite fit round this corner. Anyway, we're delivering to a brewery. Here, anyone? Right, deliveries and collections, visitor parking. Well, this is a bit of a shit side yard. Training.
After 50 yards, you have reached your destination.
Right, we're done. Let's see if I can get this spun round in this yard. Might be a bit tight.
You will arrive at your destination at 11:16 a.m.
Come on. For some reason the hill control came on then and wouldn't let me move. Right, make sure.
After 50 yards,
Make sure I don't get
turn
any bus
right,
lanes now,
Burnham
because I've
Way.
already had a
Then,
ticket
at
for
the
going
end
down
of
a
the
bus lane
road,
in Nottingham.
turn left. Turn right, then, at the end of the road, turn left. Turn left, A6019, Sheriff's Way. After 5...
Look at the state of that Scania. Awful. He's got no more extra room in the cab. Don't know why they even have them. Junction 29 truck stop. This is Junction 29, believe it or not. Someone's beeping at me. Yeah, it's just Chesterfield turn off. That's where we are. So this is a rare thing, this. You don't see this often. A truck behind an Audi. This close. Normally, in its natural habitat. It's obviously not in its natural habitat, the city. Normally in the city, he'd be gone. He'd be miles up the road. When it's out of his natural habitat, he slows right down, drives sensibly. And he's also 10 miles an hour at speed limit. Still. Never mind. At least he's moving. Or she.